Hey there, creative minds. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital tools. Today, we're tackling a classic debate that's evolved into 2025, GIMP versus Photoshop. If you're deciding between these two powerhouses for your photo editing needs, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about accessibility. GIMP, or New Image Manipulation Program, is completely free and open source. That means you can download it anytime without spending a dime, making it perfect for hobbyists, students, or anyone on a tight budget. On the flip side, Photoshop from Adobe requires a subscription. Think around $20 a month for the full Creative Cloud package. But with that price tag comes a polished, professional experience that's hard to beat. Now, when it comes to features, both apps have grown leaps and bounds by 2025. GIMP boasts a wide array of tools for photo retouching, drawing, and even basic animations. It's highly customizable, with plugins that let you tailor it to your workflow. Photoshop, however, edges ahead with advanced AI capabilities, like enhanced neural filters and automated object selection, which save pros tons of time. We've seen updates in 2025 that integrate even better with other Adobe apps, streamlining your creative process. User interface is another key area. GIMP's layout can feel a bit cluttered for beginners, but once you get the hang of it, it's incredibly powerful. Photoshop's interface is intuitive and modern, with a focus on speed and efficiency, especially on high-end hardware. Performance-wise, Photoshop runs smoother on powerful machines, while GIMP is more versatile across older systems. So, which one should you choose? If you're cost-conscious and don't need the latest bells and whistles, GIMP is a fantastic option. But for professional-grade work, like commercial design or video editing integration, Photoshop remains the go-to. Remember, the best tool is the one that fits your projects and skills. Thanks for watching. If this comparison helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Which do you prefer? See you next time.